Yeah, so the intake got to come off. So let's get on that right now. Nothing wasn't really tightened, so I have to do the wiring soon. It says it's out for delivery, so let's see. That's done. No, I have. I got to take the doors off, bring them inside there. The turbo manifold. Alrighty, so next video. See the rest. Okay. Wonder what's going on here, Blue? Let's see what came in the mail. He said it is from HO. Let's see, bro. Let's see. You go. Get out of the way. Get out of my way. Go sit down. Go. Moment of truth. Yeah. It is here. This is my harness. Is here. It's not for you, Blue. It's for me. It is here. Oh shit! Nice. That's it. Nothing else. Yep, that's the smiley face. Let's go test it out. Let's go. Yep. Wiring time. It's got these to put in now. I'm gonna change them, but fit up for fit up's sake. All right, let's go. Link that you need. For this, it's gonna run right there. I can't do nothing for that right now. Everything is running the way I want it to run. Stay right there. Now where is this one? Because I do not see it. Where is it? So, I have the coil packs run already. Just gotta get some zip ties and tuck this thing away better. Yeah. As you can see, everything is run already. Extra wire. So this is gonna go up like this, cause these are gonna go up. These are my injector wires. Yeah. Everything is run to the side. Just need to get a zip tie and let everything lay down the right way. But hey, I am on my way. I am on my way. Here we have everything that needs to plug in everything. And there's an extra wire there. I keep forgetting what this wire is for again. I don't remember what this wire is for again. Somebody please tell me in the comment section what is this for again. I think it's a ground. Red is what, power? I remember, man. I'm not an electrician. This is not my field. However, let me plug these up and get back to you. Yeah. Finish. Yeah. Like I say, quick and fast. What's good, people? Wildlife Daine here, closing out another vlog. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. However, I have a few, this time I can say I have a few stuff left to get done. It's just mainly removing stuff out the way and tucking stuff so it looks a lot cleaner. In the next video, I'm going for that start. I am going for that start. Next video. Until next time, Wildlife Daine here, closing out another vlog. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, my people.